guys, it's Adam Bateman here with Wizards Products. I'm hanging out with the folks from Auto Body News, and we're at SEMA 2019, hanging out in the Wizards Products booth. If you don't know Wizards Products, we've been around for 35 years in the industry. We've got everything from compounds and polishes to waxes, quick detailers, and one of the things we're promoting this year at SEMA is our brand new ceramic coat for paint kit. It's got everything you need to put a long-lasting ceramic protection on your paint. Going to make it scratch resistant, chemically resistant. Going to keep your paint protected for over 3 years with this kit. Got everything you need right here in the kit to take care of that. If you're not into ceramics, we've got everything you need over here, from our Mystic Cut compound to our polishes, our detailers, everything you need, buffing pads. We're right here with Wizards Products. You can find us at wizardsproducts.com. You can also get us at our local jobber store, Napa, CarQuest, Auto Value, or wherever you buy your automotive paint and supplies. We got everything you need, from the shop to the do-it-yourself weekend warrior. We got what you need to keep your vehicle looking good, to buff it out, keep it looking its best for a long time to come.